Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find WhatsApp, or you can just search for it here in the search bar and then click on WhatsApp. It will take you to this page. This is the app informations page, as you can see. All what you want to do here is click on this force stop to stop the app from running in the background of your phone, and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions right here, and then go back, click on the data usage. Make sure also to enable all the data usage option or the network access options right here. Go back. Now you have to do the most important thing. Click on the storage. This is the internal storage, so click on clear cache. Don't worry, you won't lose any data if you click it on this. Now you have to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.